Hey guys, Scott here. Noticed something really interesting in my work done today, and yesterday we were talking about potential signs of the trend coming to a close in the E-mini, which, as you can see, it's been going on for a long time. It's a strong and smooth trend, but a couple of days ago we had this big increase in candle size, which is an increase in volatility that we haven't seen since all the way back here. Now, one of the things that we know about trends is that when you see big candles at the start of a trend like here, or at the start of a move like here, this is very bullish. It indicates that big players are getting positioned and that the bulls are getting positioned early, they're strong hands. When we see that exact same thing deep in a trend, it actually means the complete opposite. So what we're talking about happening here is the late coming bulls who all this way up have wished they were long, they're finally getting long. These are like the guys who finally bought Bitcoin at 5,000 bucks. You know, these are the idiot traders. So anyway, it's not time to get short yet here. We just started put on a watching brief. We have a very small range 1 day pullback, and we have this is a hidden retest of the highs. The high of this is actually slightly lower than the all-time high. If we look at this, the high is 2550.50, and here the high is 2550.75. Difficult to see, but what we have is a retest of the highs. Now, if we drop that down to a smaller time frame, we're going to see that the market should be going up here. What we should see today is this is just a regular pullback in an uptrend and we see fresh highs. But if we don't see that, if we break where I've got my sell order here, we're probably going to see some more substantial retrace. So this is the trade I'll be taking today. If price drops below the low of this bar, I'll be getting short at 25.39 with a stop at 25.51. And I'm taking 6 contracts. Okay, there's something else that I noticed today. Similar situation. The market should be going up from here. There's probably a 60-70% chance that from here we just go straight up and retest these old highs. If that does not happen, we're probably going to get some more mean reversion. Now, if we look at the lower time frame chart again, what we see here is a very clear trading range. This is an hourly chart, very characteristic of trading range. What we should be seeing here is a test of the top of the trading range and potentially a breakout. If today we don't see that, we see a break below, we're probably going to get more of a substantial retrace. So I don't want to be long, I want to be short in that case. And you can see my previous trades in this market. Let's put them on. You can see I've utilized the same principle here. I got short here, banked the profit here. Got long right here, banked the profit here. So we've got a market that is behaving in a nice orderly fashion. It's painting winning trade after winning trade after winning trade. Not the best setup in the world, but not the worst either. Okay, thanks. One other thing that's really worth watching today is the dollar index, or the euro US dollar. What we have here is we have a strong uptrend in the euro, downtrend in the dollar. And that uptrend has painted a classical sort of a top, the classical 3 pushes to make a top thing. Big move up, weaker move up, much weaker move up, retest the high here, and now we're going down. We're at a critical juncture. So you can see that we have a trading range with its bottom around here. So what we should be seeing if we're in a trading range is buying pressure come in at the bottom of the trading range. Why? Because that's the sensible place to buy. If you're in a trading range, you want to short up here and you want to buy down there. So anywhere around here that you have pretty good risk-reward odds. So what I would expect to see is professional traders getting long and we should see at least a test up to here. But, if that does not happen, if we don't see what is the highest probability, if we close below this bar here, then we've got a complete game changer, and we are no longer in an uptrend, we're in a downtrend. So this is a market that's really worth watching today. It's if it breaks below this low, we have some game-changing price action. So it's something to be aware of today. Okay, good luck today.